is not touch the plug in wet hand because it is very dangerous. Jitesh, don't touch the electronic items. You could be get electronic shock. Dry your hands and ears. Do not play with electronic items.
Home safety rules. We should not touch the sharp object. We should not wet hand touch the electric object. Next, road safety rules. We should not run on the road. We should not drive fastly road. Classroom safety rules. We should not jump on the bench. We should not throw the choppies or other objects.
I am telling about safety rules. We should not keep hands on the fan while running. We should not play with sharp objects. Do not put the hand inside the fan. Do not touch with it. Now I am going to talk about safety rules in home. We do not play with the fire. We do not play with the sharp things. We do not plug the plug when the switch is on. We do not touch the electric gadgets. We do not touch the switch when our hand is wet. I am going to say about home safety. My sister is washing hand and touching the switch. It is bad habit to our body. Use towel to wash her hand. Wash it properly. Don't do this as a repeatedly. Okay, I am going to talk about home safety. When we are at home, do not play with knife because it is so sharp thing. When we are screwing a pencil, we do not use blade. We have to use sharpener, and we have to be safety in at home. I and my sister were playing with water. Stop! We should not touch the switch with wet hands. We will get shocked from that. My sister was cutting the vegetable. Stop! We must not touch any sharp thing because we will cut our fingers. Home safety. We not elders having in home. We should not go to the kitchen because there are many sharp objects in the kitchen. Then we are get up from the sleep and coming down. We should not jump on the stairs and run. That will hurt others also. Today I am going to talk about safety rules at home. We should not touch sharp objects. We will get hurt. We should not touch sharp objects like this, knife and scissors. We will get hurt. And we should not touch electronics switch with wet hand. Four lines. Wet hand, plug, switch put means shock will come. Second point. Take sharp object means hand was wet. Third, not run on the steps. Fourth, not push others in steps.
We should not play with shoes and wire. You should not play with knife. You should not play with fire. Keep hot foods, liquid out of reach children.